teachers in the mud. The worst among them, the publications are completely disconnected from education. Worse, they are low-level or even childish and unworthy of educators. Among these publications there are so many religious messages that you would think you are on the wall of an imam and not a teacher. What's the use of all this mass of school-disconnected information both for teachers and students? Must we ask ourselves if we hope to build one day a community of serious and respected Algerian teachers? The best among them. They content themselves just with copying and pasting or sharing anything that has any relation to teaching. We will never see their work, neither in order to benefit from it nor to discuss it in the context of an exchange of ideas beneficial to all Algerian teachers of English.